Okay, we moved over to the main clean out. As you can see, we have the floor was broken in this area. We have risers for the storm and the sanitary that are PVC. We're going to do a diagnostic televise of the sanitary sewer at this point. Here you can see is a 4-inch cast iron. Let's see if we can get our lens clear here. Okay, we're going to pull back real quick, get our lens clear. As you can see, we did transfer from the cast iron to the clay pipe outside. Again, the sewer does go across the road. There's a lot of buildup in the bottom. We're trying to see if we can get through this. Area. We were not able to push through the storm in the sanitary. As you can see, we still got something on our lens. We are going to televise all the way out. See if we can clear it at the city main. This we're having a hard time clearing, getting our lens cleared. Again, the sewer was backed up when we arrived. We were able to get everything to drain. We were using a toilet opening, which is 4-inch, in the basement bathroom. Okay, as you can see now, we've gotten our lens clear. You can see that it appears we go into the manhole. This house is at the end of the street. The manhole is directly across the street. You can see it's just a little over 80 feet. Here you can see is the neighbor and then the outlet of the manhole as well. The sewer is 6-inch clay. It does start out as 4-inch cast iron. The 4-inch does seem to show a little bit of buildup in it here as well. You can see the clay does slightly hold water, but it's really not a lot to be concerned with. We are not running a centering guide. We are at the bottom of the pipe. The descaling would be done from the bathroom up to the main cleanout, and then we would move equipment to the main cleanout, descale to the clay pipe, and then at that point we would jet flush everything from the clay pipe out to the from the toilet past the main cleanout, and from the main cleanout we would jet all the way out to the city main. Again, it is kind of hard to get a visual. We are going to try one more time when we pull back, but it does appear that the clay is pretty open. We did see one joint that had some calcite buildup. You can see right there, definitely something that we could clear out when we do the descale. And here you can see the cast iron here is rough as well. So we are at this point, we are going to go ahead and work on descale quote. We are going to see if we can get our lens clear and get down through the storm area with a clear lens to do a second record. Okay, here you can see this is where we change from the 4-inch cast iron. You can see this line had some scale buildup to the 6-inch clay. As you can see ahead, we have some calcite buildup here at this joint. This is definitely something that we can remove when we're flushing after doing a cast iron descale. We are going to continue our televise out to the city main. Our first one, we didn't have a very clear lens, so we didn't get a very good picture. We do know that the sewer does go directly into the manhole that is across the street. Here you can see we have some more calcite here at this joint. This is the last house on a dead-end street, so they are at the dead end of the sewer. As you can see, the sewer looks in good condition other than the little bit of calcite that we have in a couple of joints there. We did not really see any root intrusion in the sewer. There is no tree in the front yard. The sewer does go out all the way across the street. You can see here we have just a slight amount of water here in the bottom. It's really not over the camera. Some of the cloudiness of the water is due to the backup that was here originally when we got here and we were televising from the toilet opening. The sewer was backed up at that time and we had a hard time getting it clear due to all the scale that's in the 4-inch cast iron from the back bathroom in the basement that's at the back of the house up to the 6-inch clay pipe. But as you can see here, we've been able to maintain a pretty good visual, and the clay piping outside appears to be in good condition at this time. Again, we're going to push, and you can see here we're in the manhole. As you can see directly ahead, that is the neighbor, and you can see to our left, it's hard to see, but there's the outlet of the sewer to our left. We are going to go ahead and pull back at this time. We will continue to record as we pull back.